So today I'm going from this to this with just a few shoe cleaning products, and I'll show you how. It's time to tackle like these little small scuffs right here, and I think the Angelus Acrylic leather paint is like a last resort here. So if you've done all of your cleaning, then you can apply just a little bit there to touch up those scratch marks and make that completely white as well. So apply just a little bit, a very small amount, and then let that dry out. And if you need to apply just a little bit more, just another layer, you can always go back and do that. So here's another little scuff mark to touch all of those little things up so we can get them nice and white again. Let's do just another layer there. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Some of these places just need an additional layer here to really make sure that's white and even.